Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so in today's video we do have a collaboration and it's called Tutti Frutti Tablescape, and that's an open, once again, collaboration that's being hosted by Sandylynn's Home and Garden, the Grace Life DIY home decor, which is myself. We have a special guest, which is Home by Design with Marilyn, and our beautiful co-hosts are Eventful Living with Kay, May's Design Corner, Z9 Designs, Joyful Decor by Denise. Now this is how I set up my tablescape. Let's take a closer look. So now I think this centerpiece came out absolutely beautiful, guys. We have some lemons, we have some strawberries and cherries over there on the back. We have some cherry plates. The centerpiece here is this gorgeous floral arrangement with the 2 pillar candles. Absolutely beautiful. We do have some little oranges in the back over there. That was an amazing purchase. So we also have, once again, our strawberries, and on the end there we have a nice bucket filled with lemons. Now I didn't want to forget the watermelons, guys, so let's take a look at our place setting. So here we go. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? All right, let's get started here with the napkin. So I just double folded a watermelon napkin over that pink one, and then we placed that Kirkland napkin ring. Then we have the half watermelon place that the Dollar Tree carries with the gold utensils. So I didn't want to take those off. Because I'm working with one hand. So here we have the watermelon plate. Aren't they beautiful, guys? Great find at the Dollar Tree. Then we're going to move on here to the Hobby Lobby, one of their chargers, and I love this pattern here. That was a great find. Now I did want to place this placemat as one of my favorites. And so that was a thrifted item. So here we have the wine glass from the Dollar Tree. I'm liking that shape. And then the water glass was a thrifted item. You see that votive and the votive candle, and that was purchased at Dollar Tree. Let's go ahead and layer this back. So the gold charger, then we have the watermelon plate. Then we have the half watermelon plate that I placed on the side there with the utensils. I thought that was a nice look. Okay, and then we have our napkin, and there you go. This is a beautiful place setting, guys. Beautiful for outdoors, but we did ours indoors. I love that fur runner, and we are here at the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day. And God bless you guys. Amen. So just a reminder that the calendar of collaborations for the month of August is now posted, and I am working on the thumbnails. If there's any one of those collaborations you would like to join in, please let me know. My information is all in the community tab. Have an amazing day, guys. Amen.